Braden here. He is Braden.
And more Aotearoa Winton School called Malachi here. He is Malachi. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Wednesday the 1st of March.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu o Te Riki. This week's phrase is Rutua,
which is Te Rero for tackle. Remember, tomorrow is bakery order, so remember to bring your orders in and all their money.
Ka pai on the weather. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate from 12 o'clock until 2 o'clock.
It's been great to see you all wearing your potae. That they are still required today from 11. Kia ora.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Keep remembering to wear them to and from school.
Miss Lang was spotted out for a run last night, calling all runners, bikers and walkers, this is your last week for training. Roll on Sunday.
I wonder how many Winton School kids we can have there in red.
Fun run. Winton School, this is the last week to get all your training in so you can beat the teachers. Hope you are all training hard.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the all the notices in the text box below.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kite a popo. See you tomorrow.